my online shopping experience with Lazada. Unfortunately, I got scammed. Yes, you heard it right. I got scammed. Um, when I was in the Philippines during my vacation, I tried to search some products to buy online on Lazada on my mobile phone, and there's one product that catches my eye, which is the mystery box. It says that it has multiple items, multiple products inside the box, and it costs around 10,000 pesos. The total cost or the total price for all these products within that box costs around 10,000 pesos, and I only have to pay for 2,399. So it sounds attractive, and the photos are very deceiving because they have shown that this box could either be some electronic items, and some other good stuff that we can use personally, or we can use at home. And the box looks like a large or a medium-sized box. It's like twice of a shoe box. Okay, it's like, yeah, it's like on their photo it looks like a twice of that a shoe box. So that's why I was attracted. I was enticed to buy this mystery box. So it costs around 2,399, and of course, I did not pay by debit or credit card. I just purchase it and have it paid upon delivery. So it's cash on delivery. I already left the Philippines, and still I haven't received that product. So yesterday, that was Monday. Yeah, my brother told me, sent me a message that he received a delivery from Lazada via JNT, and he says that it comes with a small box, and said, okay. So this is what it looks like. This is delivered by JNT from Lazada. I have my full address in there on the packaging. However, on the sender, okay, on the sender, it is only written Robert, as you can see here. It's only written Robert, and with the email address. There's no contact number, no other contact information, and no other personal information except the first name. And it says non-seller. So with that, it's already very mysterious. So in short, my brother paid for the 2,399, and then I asked him to open the package, and look what he have found on the package, and look what he have found inside the package. I asked my brother to take a video while he's opening the box, and as you can see, there are different black plastic covered items within that box or inside that box. And so I asked him to open each of those plastic bags in order to find out what items are inside. So the very first item, or the very first bag that he has opened, to his surprise, he saw this cotton buds. Can you imagine? A mystery box, and the very first item that he opened is a non-branded cotton buds. And so he tried again all the other items inside, and this is what he has found. So another one is a loofah or a scrub, a shower scrub. Next is a headset. It kind of fulfill on what is written on the description that says electronics. So that's why that's the reason why they have included this very cheap headset. Next is a bangle. Look at this, guys. It also written on their on the description that it could also come with some jewelry items inside. And I think this is what they have considered as jewelry. This one, I don't know. This one, I don't know. This is a scrub. Or, I don't know, a grater. And this one is like a nylon bag. And they have also included a piece of spoon, a cleaning block, or we call it we called it Scotch Brite, toothbrush. My God. So yeah, so those are the items inside that mystery box. That says, under the description, it says that it's more than 5,000 pesos a total amount. But I paid only more than half of the price, or even less than half of the price, 2,399. And if you're going to sum up the total price for this product, I think it's even less than 1,000 pesos. So, I'm posting this video, just for you to be aware of the scams online, regardless, whether it comes from a very big company like Lazada. And I just want you to be aware and be careful next time, guys, when you purchase product online. Make sure that it is legitimate. I'm fan of online shopping, buying products online. I have only used Lazada for like 3 times or a couple of times way back in the Philippines, and I usually used Shopee, and I never had a problem with Shopee. But in Lazada, this is my very first experience. So I got scammed for 2,399 pesos for 2,399 pesos, and for products that is lesser than 1,000 pesos. So this is a lesson learned for me. Definitely, I will no longer be using Lazada, and definitely I will no longer trust all those mystery boxes. If I want to purchase something, I just really have to make sure that it comes from a legitimate seller or reseller. Yeah. So that's all for this video today. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button below and the notification bell so that you will be notified in my upcoming uploads. And please don't forget to share this to your friends, to your family, so that they will also be aware of these scams in Lazada and anywhere, and so that they will no longer be, so that they will not be a victim of the scammers. And to these scammers, I'll just wish you good luck and God bless to you. I hope you are happy what you are doing. And yeah, that's all for now, guys. Thank you so much. Until next time. Bye.